If government doesn't listen, they allow the raya visitation first Syawal. They limit lah 15 orang ke 20 orang ke. People will not social distance. They will cross each other. And the infectivity is going to go crazy. It's going to go crazy and it's going to be really bad. And come end of the month, mark my words, minimum 10,000 cases per day. New cases per day. Hospitals will be overwhelmed. There will not be enough oxygen and beds, and there will not be enough personnel to attend. Personnel will also fall sick. Jadi you tahu lah berapa teruknya, and we will begin to mimic India. It is not a joke. I am not joking. It is harrowing, but I know what is imminent kalau you allow raya. You, kalau Melayu, if you're a Melayu, if you're in the government like Melayu, you should know what happens on raya. Raya, people assimilate, people touch each other, people, even they share the same balang pun. Dia ambil kuih from the same balang, dia pinggan mangkuk, dia pegang sama semua. All it takes is that for every person yang COVID, okay? You mungkin assume your relatives tak ada COVID lah, But now you tengok, kalau every day, daily cases is 3,000 something, incubation is about 14 days. So therefore, whoever who's infected today, only 14 days from now, you will see that dia punya symptoms manifest. Maybe 10 days, maybe 11 days. Untuk congak, assuming 3,000 lah, 3,000 you carry 14. The day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 sampai day 14. Yang manifest on that day is 3,000. You multiply that, it's almost 50,000. This 50,000 orang, kalau you tengok based on demography, 65% is Melayu. So therefore you take lebih kurang 30,000. 30,000 Melayu is now a moving COVID punya disease. These Melayus will also raya. Dia akan raya. So this 30,000 orang is going to go visiting their relatives and their parents. And those people will in turn visit their relatives and parents and friends on the first day of raya itself. So can you imagine, there will be a new source of spread by 30,000 separate independent sources infecting people on raya, and that will be multiplying exponentially. Can you imagine now, by the first day sampai middle raya, you can buat lah apa SOP, people will still beraya. Can you imagine how that would spread exponentially? The problem with COVID is because it takes long to manifest. Kalau kena hari ni, besok lusa manifest the symptoms, then no issue, senang contain. We will not even have pandemic this long. Kita boleh address immediately. Tapi the fact that they incubate yang lama, while it's incubating, you can spread. So you are not even sick. On the 14th day baru you going to become sick. Tapi that 13 days you boleh spread kat orang dah. You go everywhere. And in turn, when you spread on your first day, that person yang kena tu from you, dia pun dah start dia punya first day, dia pun dah boleh spread kat orang dah. So therefore, within 14 days, you can have 14 generations of spreading. Jadi, this is why you need to make sure that raya is some kind of a lockdown. Raya lah seorang-seorang kat rumah. Because I'm telling you, it is horrific, it is worrying. I am not exaggerating and overreacting. Raya will be a pandemonium. Memang the cluster will manifest, and you tak percaya, tengoklah 15 hari into raya, mid raya, which is roughly end of this month, 10,000 busuk-busuk 10,000 cases, new cases per day. And people will be without beds, people will be quarantining at home. And yang mana teruk, tak cukup breathing machines. So people will die because there's no facilities. Do we really want to see our fellow Malaysians, or even our family, or even ourselves dying like the poor Indians are suffering in India? This raya thing can make this happen. So tak payahlah raya this year. Semua kaum tak payahlah raya this year. Tahan sikit, have willpower, restrain, and let's bring the pandemic down to an acceptable level and maintain one single MCO. Tak payah ada RMCO, CMCO. Which country do that? You have only one MCO, one rule. You stay consistent from day one. Tak kira 10,000 satu hari ke new cases, 1,000 satu hari ke, 10 satu hari ke, satu new cases ke. It should be the same MCO everywhere, every state, all the time from start until we win this war against the virus.